Hello everyone, here is Juicy Floration Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you our pulp tray. Look at here. It is made by dry press from recycled paper. As you can see, it is a little rough than wet pressed pulp tray. And in this shape is all made by our mold. It doesn't need too extra cost to make. In addition, there is a group to place product. It is have a good holding effective to the product, so it is play a good role in protecting the product. And our product has assured zero pollution, zero emission, and zero addition in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you want to design a unique pulp tray package, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for watching. Bye.